Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for November 14th, 2013. It's currently 8 a.m. and we are chilly out there, but not as cold as what we've been. At the very least, some locations are actually above freezing this morning. A few, not many, I know. Along the coast, we're looking at temperatures in the lower to mid 30s, with the warmest location, Philadelphia, at 34 degrees. Over the interior, we're ranging from the upper 20s to lower 30s. Beware of black ice this morning. There is some slick spots out there because temperatures fell below freezing, and perhaps you have like a little bit of water dripping out of a hose or whatnot on the sidewalk. Doesn't take much to slip and fall, so use some caution. High pressure is in control though, so really not much going on in the world of weather, at least for today. With clear skies expected today, look for temperatures to rebound very nicely into the upper 40s to lower 50s over the interior and around 50 degrees along the coast. Could see around 52 degrees in southwest New Jersey, for example. On the radar, not much going on. Pretty clear out there. The only disturbance out there is right around the Great Lakes. That's about it. Otherwise, we're dealing with high pressure in complete control, and it's going to remain control all the way through Sunday. As this high pressure system shifts off the coast, this cold front will approach by, let's say, early Monday morning or perhaps Monday afternoon. We're going to watch the timing of this cold front as it approaches the region. But for the most part, high pressure will be in control. Look for temperatures below normal today and tomorrow, basically in the upper 40s to lower 50s. Then by the time we get to this weekend, as high pressure shifts off the coast and we get a southwesterly wind, we warm up into the mid to upper 50s on Saturday, upper 50s, possibly even a few lower 60s on Sunday. And then Monday, it all comes crashing down with the passage of the cold front. Depending on the timing of the cold front, will depend how warm it gets on Monday. The slower the cold front approaches, the warmer it will get in the afternoon. If it moves through faster, those temperatures will be blunted. So let's take a look at the latest model guidance using the European model guidance, as I think it's handling this pattern the best. Again, high pressure is in control today, tomorrow, Saturday, and Sunday, with tranquil weather conditions in place for the most part. Look for winds to shift to the southwest. Could be an isolated shower on Sunday evening, although I'm holding that off until we get till Monday. And the reason why is that we do have a lot of dry air right along the coast here. So looking for dry conditions all the way through much of this upcoming weekend. Temperatures will be the warmest on Sunday. If this cold front holds off until, let's say, Monday afternoon, that means we're going to have a lot of warm southwesterly winds in place. So Sunday, I'm looking for highs in the upper 50s to lower 60s. Now, on Monday, that cold front is expected to move through, but notice how the trough goes negative here. Okay, that means it's going from southeast to northwest here in the orientation. When it does this, it typically means the cold front's going to move a little bit slower, especially on the northern end here. And that could mean that we have a little bit more of a warmer time period on Monday afternoon to get our temperatures up into the lower to mid 60s. However, if the cold front moves through very quickly, then temperatures are held off into the mid to upper 50s. Then everything comes crashing down. So Monday evening, look for windy conditions after a line of showers and temperatures crashing through the 40s and into the 30s. Then on Tuesday and Wednesday, high pressure is in control with tranquil weather conditions and scattered cloud cover. I'm going below the GFS MOS guidance that you might see in the news, where we're basically in the lower to mid 50s. I'm going upper 40s to lower 50s for the most part throughout the entire region. Over the interior, mid to upper 40s. The GFS is in the mid 50s. The European model guidance is in the mid 40s. So I'm kind of splitting the difference here. After this cold front moves through, though, high pressure will take control. And then another Arctic cold front is on the way for the middle of next week. That'll bring even colder air. So we're going to continue this pattern, like I said yesterday, with these intrusions of Arctic air trying to spill into the eastern United States. But we're dealing with what's called a transient weather pattern, where one trough comes in and then leaves, and then another one follows with a ridge in between each one of these troughs, trying to carve out I guess you could call it a long wave trough, a sustained trough in the east and a sustained ridge in the west. But before you get to that point, you have to have these little disturbances kind of carve those troughs in, and that's the type of pattern we are in right now. That is your forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Follow the latest weather information at nynjpaweather.com and nynjpaweather on Twitter, Facebook, Google+, and LinkedIn. Have a wonderful day. Stay safe out there.